Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook a South Indian item which is filling and easy to make. Idly fry is not only easy to make but also healthy. Full of carbohydrates and proteins with very little fat, it gives a great kickstart to your day. Another great thing about it is that you can make the idli a day before and whip up a great breakfast the next day with your leftover idlis. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits, tips and tricks, and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. A day-old idli, 10 to 12, chana dal plus urad dal, 1 tablespoon, black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, 5 to 8. Grated coconut, 2 tablespoons, red chilies, 2 to 3, Asafoetida, a pinch, mustard oil, 1 tablespoon. Let's get started. First, cut all the idlis into fours like shown in the video. It's important that you use refrigerated idlis or a day-old idli as they will not break while cutting. Put them aside. In a heated pan, add mustard oil. When it is hot, then add Asafoetida. Add chana dal and urad dal mix. It is 1 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon chana dal. Fry it till it is golden and cooked through. Add red chilies and curry leaves. Add desiccated coconut. Fry for a few seconds. It should turn golden in color. Take care not to burn it. Now add the idli and mix everything very well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes so that the idlis are warmed up from inside and crispy from outside. Idly fry is ready to serve in breakfast with tea. Entertain your guests with this easy and awesome tasting idli fry in your next get together. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making idli fry. Use refrigerated and cold idlis, preferably a day old. This will prevent them from breaking when they are cut into fours. Fry the chana dal and urad dal well so that they are cooked through. Be careful not to burn the desiccated coconut as it burns very quickly. We want it to be golden in color. Cover and cook for a few minutes so that the idli cubes are warm from inside. Mix carefully so that the idli do not break. Idli is a South Indian food made from fermented rice and urad dal. They are a good source of carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates in urad dal and rice and idlis get converted into simpler sugars that are easier to digest after fermentation process. Fermentation increases the bioavailability of many vitamins and minerals such as iron, potassium, calcium, and increases the vitamin B content. As idlis are steamed, fat content is low and it is easily digestible. Now let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button and below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.